Hi, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Emotion Evoke review. Now, for those of you out there who are creating any kind of imagery, whether that's on adverts or whether that's on YouTube thumbnails or anything in between, this product is definitely going to be for you. In a nutshell, what it is a library of images that you can use, royalty-free images that you can use. But the focus is not on what the images are about, the focus is on the emotions. Now let me tell you something if you don't know this already. When you are searching for images and when you are putting images out in order to capture the attention of audience or buyers or clients or anybody, you need to focus on emotions. A lot of people, they take pictures of desks and offices and hands and the back of people's heads for some reason. I don't know. I don't know why people do that. It's a bad idea. Everybody seems to do it. You need faces. Go to any big YouTube channel, look at their thumbnails, it's always faces, it's always emotions, and that's what makes this such a unique and effective tool for where you get your images from. So I'm gonna dive into this in a second, but before I do, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that little bell notification. Also, if you wanna jump ahead at any time during this video, make sure you click the link in the description because that will first take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Emotion Evoke vendor sales page. Now what that means is if you come through to here and you click on any of these green buttons, it will lock in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonuses before then sending you off to the vendor sales page where you can lock in and buy Emotion Evoke. Now the first bonus, evergreen leads, massive course here on building an online business, but the real gold nuggets are in lead capture. There's a lot of good stuff in here about capturing leads. So whatever business you have, if you have any problems with getting sales, getting leads, getting anyone to an email list or anything related to getting people from place A to you, this is really great. Everything SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, it's really a great, massive product there. Bonus number 2 is I've gotten you 2 landing page plugins for your website. So number 1, Biz landing page creates really great landing pages. You don't need to know how to develop a program. It just does all the heavy lifting for you. Extreme list build, another good landing page build. More simplistic, a little bit different. More so good for squeeze pages or keeping your landing pages very simplistic. If you just maybe have an Instagram, you're driving traffic to a link and you just want to capture emails and have a standard page with a bit of copy, that's good for that. So you can test them both out there. 2 really great plugins depending on what you want to do. Bonus number 3 is simple social content. So you're going to be using Emotion Evoke, obviously, to, on social media platforms. This goes into the ins and outs of, and the language and the nuances of each social media platform. So you know how to use Emotion Evoke and those images effectively on each one. What might work on Instagram might not work on Pinterest or Facebook or Twitter. Each one is different. This is a great product for understanding social media. Bonus number 4 goes in depth. This is Instagram marketing secrets. So whether that wasn't your intention to use Emotion Evoke imagery on Instagram, it is a great idea. And if you are driving traffic from Instagram, you need to at least take into the fact that you need to be focusing on, triggering emotions with your imagery, and a lot of that means involving faces. It's a cognitive, biological thing we have. We track faces. It's been proven. So this, if you want to dive into Instagram, I don't think Instagram is the most popular or has the most members, but I think it is now the most used social media platform. So, follow the eyeballs. If you're not marketing on Instagram in any way, you should be at least testing. Bonus number 5, I've thrown in another stock imagery product here, but this is video. Yeah, so you've got the Emotion Evoke, you've got imagery, but I've thrown in video as well. If that all sounds good to you, it's step 1, link in the description, lock in these bonuses with these green buttons. That will send you off to the Emotion Evoke sales page, which looks like this, which I'd recommend going through in your free time. Just really quickly, I'll show you what to expect in the product. So you'll be searching for emotional words like affection, and you can see some examples of imagery here that has come up. Anger, notice again that it is all faces because faces work the best. Amazement, apathy, confusion, again all faces. Caring, these are all HD images. Depression, diversity, embarrassment, failure, forgiveness, helplessness, loneliness, and the list goes on. I challenge you to go onto Google and search loneliness or helplessness and put your settings on public domain imagery and try to find some images as good as these. you won't be able to. So to you naysayers who are thinking, oh, I can just use Google, yeah, try use Google and see if you don't get pinged for copying and downloading images that you shouldn't be using. Yeah, so just a ton of different categories, all based on emotion. So if you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt which looks like this. And as I said, under the green button will be Emotion Evoke, under the blue button will be all those bonuses. So easy peasy. My email here if you have any problems, and keep your eye on this countdown timer because this is a launch week special. Any bonuses or any special pricing that gets activated exclusively via the green buttons on my page, they'll no longer be available. If this does say 0, feel free to email me though. My email's down here. I might be able to get the bonuses to you manually. So if it is 0, it doesn't mean to say you've missed out. Probably does, but check with me anyway. And really quickly before we close out, the pricing here. So you might have to pause your screen because there's a lot of different pricing options. The front end is basically everything I just showed you, that massive library. One-time offer number 2, you can upgrade for more imagery. One-time offer number 2, flexible image club combo offer, so you can get even more cut images that blend seamlessly and things like that. And one-time offer number 3 is a PowerPoint special offer, so you get promotional materials, sales pitches, presentations, slideshows, and things like that. One-time offer number 4 is you can join the monthly subscription where you get more updates all the time. They're constantly updating this library. So if you're putting out content every day, every month, and you always need access to unique content, this might be worth it for you for only $17 a month. One-time offer number 5, sorry, it gets into video. You get access to a video library, and one-time offer number 6 is you get even more video. So a lot of different options there. Whatever you want, everybody's going to be different. I will say this, you do only need the front end 27 in order to get access to the bonuses I talked about. Okay, so don't feel like you need to upgrade and get everything. You'll get my bonuses regardless if you just get the front end. So a hell of a lot of value on offer considering that price. If you do have any questions, message me. Social media, comments, email, whatever you want. I do reply to everybody who emails me pretty quickly. If not, this is a great tool, a great product that's really going to help you. I'm definitely going to get involved. So yeah, enjoy it. I hope you love the bonuses, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.